Probability practice exercises 33 and 34. Referring to the table from 29, find the probability that a student chosen at random is a sophomore or earned a B. So sophomore would be this particular row right here. So there's 26 sophomores total, or they earned a B, so that would be this column here. We're talking about a total of 22 people who earned a B. So I think you see the overlap in that number 4 right there. So we're going to have the probability that someone is a sophomore. That's going to be 26 out of 65. Plus the probability that someone earned a B, that's going to be 22 out of 65. And then minus, was there a probability that was counted twice? Yeah, the 4 sophomores that earned a B and they were sophomores. Okay, so that is going to be 48 minus 4. And that will reduce to, that's 44 out of 65, and it doesn't reduce. Referring to the table from number 30, find the probability that a person chosen at random is in their 20s or has no credit card. So in their 20s is this row right here for a total of 33 people. So 33 out of 81. And it says or has no credit cards. So that's this column right here for a total of 27 out of 81. And as you see, these 9 people were counted twice. So we'll subtract the 9 over 81. So the 33 plus the 27 minus 9 gives us 51 over 81, and this will reduce to 17 over 27.